हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं आपका दोस्त चैनल मुकेश कुमार। आज हम लोग आगे मिले हैं जिसमें हम लोग अपनी रीडिंग को इम्प्रूव करेंगे। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विदाउट समय गवाए हुए। और चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब। ओके, तो चलिए देखते हैं इसको। पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसे थ्रू द स्पेलिंग पढ़ेंगे। ओके, MOTHER मदर, DUCK डक, डक यानी कि बतख, WAS वॉस, REALLY रियली यानी कि सच में, PROUD प्राउड, OF ऑफ, HER हर, SIX NEW न्यू, DUCKLINGS डकलिंग्स, डकलिंग्स यानी कि जो बतख के बच्चे होते हैं उनको डकलिंग्स। THEY दे, WER वर, SOFT सॉफ्ट, सॉफ्ट यानी कि मुलायम, FLUFFY फ्लॉफी, AND एंड, YELLOW येलो, SUCH सच, FINE फाइन, DUCKLING डकलिंग, BUT बट, THE द, SEVENTH सेवन, सेवेंथ यानी कि सातवां, ONE वन, VERY वेरी, वेरी यानी कि बहुत, DIFFERENT डिफरेंट यानी कि अलग, IT इट, WAS was, BIGGER बिगर, बिगर यानी कि बड़ा, AND एंड, ITS इट्स, FEATHERS feathers, WERE वर, GREY grey, AND SHAGGY shaggy, IT it, LOOKED looked, SO so, UGLY ugly, ALL all, THE the, SAME same, सेम यानी कि एक जैसा, MOTHER मदर, ईयर मदर, DUCK डक, THOUGHT थॉट, ITS इट्स, MY माई, BABY बेबी, DUCKLING डकलिंग, SHEC LOVED loved, IT it, DEARLY dearly, BUT but, THE the, OTHER other, SIX BROTHERS brothers, AND SISTERS sisters, DIDNT didn't, LIKE like, THE the, UGLY ugly, अगली यानी कि क्रूप भद्दा, DUCKLING डकलिंग, WHEN when, IT it, WADDLED waddled, TOWARDS towards, THEM them, okay, THEY they, TURNED turned, THEIR there, BACKS backs, AND RAN ran, AWAY away. Okay, THE the, LITTLE little, little यानी छोटे, DUCKLINGS ducklings, WOULD wood, ठीक है, इसे क्या पढ़ते हैं, wood, GO go, FOR for, A SWIM swim, EVERY every, DAY day, TO2 A LAKE lake, NEAR nearby, THE the, UGLY ugly, DUCKLING duckling, WANTED wanted, TO2 JOIN join, THE the, OTHERS others, BUT but, THEY they, DIDNT didn't, WANT, HIM him, THEY they, ALWAY is always. SWAM swam, AWAY away, FROM from, HIM him, HE WAS was, LEFT left, ALON alone, alone यानी कि अकेला, THE the, UGLY ugly, DUCKLING duckling, SWAM swam, BETTER bitter, THAN then, THE the, OTHER other, DUCKLINGS ducklings, WHICH which, DID did, NOT not, PLEASE please, please, THEM them, AT at, ALL all, THEY they, TEASE teased, teased यानी क्या होता है चिढ़ाना, ठीक है। HIM him, ABOUT about, about इनके बारे में, HIS his, UGLINESS ugliness, ठीक है, ये अगली का ही जिसमें NES जुड़ा हुआ है, ugliness, HIS his, ONLY only, FRIEND friend, AS was, HIS his, MOTHER mother, OTHER other, DUCKS ducks, TOLD told, HER her, ALL all, YOUR your, DUCKLINGS ducklings, ARER SMART smart, BUT but, THIS this, BIG big, FELLO fellow, LOOKS looks, SO so, DIFFERENT different, different यानी कि अलग, WHY IS is, HE he, SO so, UGLY ugly, HIS his, MOTHER mother, ONLY only, SAID sad, HE he, IS is, MINE mine, AND and, LOVE love, HIM him, TWO AT at, LAST last, FEELING feeling, VERY very, LONELY lonely, lonely यानी कि अकेला महसूस करना, AND and, SAD sad यानी उदास, THE the, UGLY ugly, LITTLE little, DUCKLING duckling, DECIDED decided, TO2 LEABE leaf, THE the, LAKE lake, lake यानी कि झील, HE he, MADE made, HIS his, WAY way, TO2 THE the, RIVERS rivers, EDGE eats, age, AND SWAM swam, WAY away, WITH with, THE the, RIVER river, DAY day, BY by, TAY day, THE the, LITTLE little, DUCKLING duckling, GREW grew, BIG big, AND STRONG strong, WHEN when, HE he, LOOKE looked, INTO into, THE the, WATER water, HE he, SAW saw, HIS his, REFLECTION reflection, LOOK look, SO so, UGLY ugly, HE he, TOUGHT taught, HE he, WAS was, INEINTERESTED interested, IN in, LOOKING looking, looking यानी कि देख रहा है, AT at, HIS his, OWN won, EMAGE image, INNTHE the WATER water, HE ALWAYS always, TRIED tried, TO2 HID hide, HIMSELF himself, IF if, HE SAW saw, ANYONE anyone यानी कि कोई भी, COMING coming, TOWARDS towards, HIM। ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, पढ़ेंगे बाकी को हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे। चलिए।